Today we're diving into the long-term reliability of BMW's B48 engine after high mileage. We're talking over 100,000 miles, which is around 160,000 kilometers. If you're considering a used BMW with the B48 or just curious how it holds up, this video is for you. We'll walk through what this engine is, typical weak spots over time, how to maintain it, and whether it's a safe bet for a long haul. First off, some background on the B48. The B48 is a turbocharged inline-4 petrol engine from BMW, introduced around 2014 as part of BMW's modular engine family. Because it's in many BMWs and even Minis, there's quite a volume of examples with over 100,000 miles. In terms of reliability reputation, many owners and forum posts point out that if the B48 is well maintained, it can deliver solid life, but there are known trouble spots. One of the comments said, the B46/B48 engines, while not as bulletproof as the B58, are still a solid choice if you're not planning on pushing it hard. Another one said that the B48 is reliable except for two common cooling related issues. So let's move into what those weak spots are, especially around 100,000 miles and beyond. One of the most frequent discussed problems is the oil filter housing and associated components, because they may crack, causing oil or coolant leaks. A cracked housing is not trivial. It means removing the intake manifold and other components, and costs can get high. Cracked cooling ventilation lines, for example between head and expansion tank, failing or weak water pumps, and coolant loss. Coolant loss is especially risky because it can lead to overheating, cylinder head damage, and big repair bills. As mileage climbs, valve cover gaskets, leaks, and general oil consumption tend to increase. Example symptoms are oil pooling, burning oil smell, low oil level warning, all of which should trigger action. Because the B48 uses direct injection like many modern engines, carbon deposits on the intake valves can become an issue if maintenance isn't kept up. Effects include rough idle, reduced performance, or increased fuel consumption. Although not as widely reported as some of the above, timing chain related components such as guides or tensioners can suffer from wear at high miles. A rattling sound on a cold start or misfires could hint at chain issue, not something you want to ignore. Turbo systems on turbocharged engines naturally require good lubrication or maintenance. Neglect or prolonged high heat can reduce life. Some write-ups mention potential turbo oil feed issues or degrading over time. So yes, the engine has its quirks, but that doesn't mean it's unreliable, provided maintenance is done right. Let's talk about the maintenance side. If you're aiming for 100,000 miles or more on a B48 without major trouble, here's what you should emphasize. Frequent oil changes with high quality oil. Use the correct specification BMW synthetic oil, and ideally change a bit more often than the bare minimum. Good oil preserves chain guides, tensioners, turbo bearings, and much more. Regular inspection of oil, filter housing, and housing seals. Given the failure potential, it's smart to visually inspect for oil or coolant seepage around the oil filter housing intake manifold area. If replaced preemptively, you avoid surprise failures. Coolant system vigilance. Check coolant level, inspect the coolant expansion tank lines, inspect hoses and vent lines. Replace weak components when early signs show, example like minor leaks or coolant loss. Overheating is a major damage trigger. If you notice oil consumption rising or see oil pooling around valve cover, act early. Replacing gaskets or seals can save you from worse aftershock. Carbon cleaning intake valves if direct injection issues appear. For the B48, if rough idle or reduced performance are evident, consider a walnut blast or intake valve cleaning service, depending on the region. Good fuel and intake maintenance help delay this. Listen for timing chain and guide issues. A rattling noise on cold start, especially after high miles, can hint at guide or tensioner wear. Addressing it proactively is key. Turbo cooldown. Avoid constant full boost abuse unless you're into performance builds. While the B48 is robust, as with all turbo engines, prolonged high load, little letdown time, or neglecting oil or coolant health will shorten life. In short, treat it like a premium engine, not neglect, but regular care. Now let's ask the bigger question, is this engine worth it long term? So after considering all that, how does the B48 stack up in real world in high mileage terms? The overall consensus from forums and owner reports, yes, with proper maintenance the B48 can be a reliable long-term engine. For example, one summary says, if you're keeping the car stock and maintaining it properly, you should expect pretty good longevity. On the flip side, many of the reported failures are not catastrophic engine block failures, but are component failures. For example, like oil filter housing, coolant lines, or gaskets, which are expensive and can surprise you if neglected. Also note, since the B48 is newer than some older BMW engines, fewer data points exist for extremely high mileages. We're talking 200,000 miles and above, but the 100,000 mark is being hit as a standard now. If you're buying a used BMW with the B48 at 100,000 miles, here are things I'd strongly check. Service history, of course, oil changes, coolant system work, any component replacements, evidence of leaks, oil under the car, coolant puddles, smell of burning oil, cooling system health, coolant levels, signs of overheating, condition of hoses and lines, intake condition and carbo buildup signs, rough idle, performance drop, timing chain and guide noises, rattling, misfires. If these check out, then yes, the B48 is a viable choice for long-term reliability. But if you find a car with 100,000 miles and above and no major service history, you should budget for the potential known weak spots. To wrap up, the BMW B48 isn't bulletproof in the sense of install and forget, but it does offer good long-term potential, provided you stay on top of maintenance and don't ignore the weak areas. At the 100,000 mile mark, if the engine has been treated well, you're likely looking at many more miles of reliable service. If you're buying used, inspect carefully or budget ahead. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your B48 experience, miles, issues, tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.